What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video for today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So here we have Queendom Divas singing Lead Me Lord sa burol po ni Mr. Mike Enriquez. So rest in peace and my condolences to the family. So i-react natin yung performance nila. So actually nakita ko to, wala pang nag-request, no? Pero I chose not to react to it, no? Pero marami akong natatanggap sa Instagram and sa Facebook page and even sa comment section na gusto nyong i-react ko ito, no? So, i-react po natin yung performance nila sa Lead Me Lord. Bakit ayaw kong i-react? Kasi nga, ito nga ay nasa burol ni funeral service ni Sir Mike Enriquez, no? Pero due to high demand, so i-react na lang po natin, okay? So let's jump right into the video. Make sure naka-follow kayo sa Facebook page David Lanyas and sa aking Instagram, okay? So kompleto po sila, si Jessica, si Thea, ang ating Queen Julie, sino pa to? Rita, at saka yung Baby Nation, Hannah Priscillas, and from Iligan City, Marian Osabel, okay? By the way, may nakita ako dito, may nakita ako sa bakit ko pala na napansin. It's because nagka-issue to kasi sabi nung isang Facebook page, no, parang iniintriga nila na papansin daw si Jessica dito, parang gusto niya magpa-spotlight dito. Ewan ko lang, hindi ko pa siya nakita to. So, let us check it out, okay?
We want to offer you and Sir Mike in heaven a song. Alam naman po natin na naging malaking influence po
yes.
sa ating lahat.
Totoo yan.
And para po sa inyo lahat ito. And
ang gaganda talaga ng Queendom, no? Sayang kasi hindi sila na-market ng to be honest, in terms of talent and physical feature, talagang magaganda, presentable, talagang kailangan itong ma-market. Pero hindi lang, ewan ko lang, hindi sila na-market masyado ng GMA. Ewan ko talaga, mas na-market pa si Miss Jessica Soho, ganun. Ito, Lead Me Lord to Nice. Nice. Mukhang nakalimutan yung lyrics ng konti Galing talaga ni Rita, man. Kumakanta yung nagre-record of it. Ito si Hannah. Woo! I love the control. Woo! Nice. Let's go, Marian. Nice. Very heartfelt. Oh, I love the harmony. Let's go. Nakalimutan ko ng konti, no? Na sa ano pala to, sa funeral service pala to ni Sir Mike Enriquez. Don't get me wrong, I am excited sa performance nila, ha. So I'm not disrespecting anyone. No offense sa Enriquez family if ever man makita ninyo to. Okay, I was just excited. I am very excited about this performance po, okay? And they all had this very sincere and heartfelt talaga na feeling, no? Emotion sa kanta. Thea the model. Pwede talaga to si Thea sa Broadway, no? Aside sa pwede talaga siyang pang pageant or pang top model sa itsura niya, pero yung kasi yung pagbuka niya ng bibig, no? Yung yung emphasis niya sa every vowel sounds, no? Mapapansin niyo na talagang she can do Broadway.
Help me take the right direction. Take your road.
I love that. Take your road. Woo! Live my. Nice. Jessica. Nice. Ooh, I love the harmonization. Grabe, ang linis. And mind you, this is not studio recorded na live, This is a raw audio from a camera recording. Okay? Ang linis. Ooh. Nice. Nice. Hindi ko lang ma-gets bakit ini-issuean niyo yung Queendom, lalo na si Jessica, na siya, na epal or something. Yun kasi yung nakita ko sa Facebook, wala naman. So sa isang grupo po, no, katulad nito, klarong-klaro po, it's a very well-balanced, malinis, and napaka-unison ng performance nila. But I would like to remind you, sa hindi masyadong familiar sa mga groups, there's always a lead singer, no, sa mga parts, no. For example, nung una, si Julian, so part niya yun, okay? Everybody, may pwede kang mag-harmonize, pero siya yung naatasan dun sa part na yun. Rita, may part siya. Hannah, meron. Si Marian, meron. Si Thea, meron. Si Jessica, meron. Is it because dahil si Jessica yung nagbumirit sa key change? I don't think so. If you're not familiar with Jessica, ganito talaga siya kumanta, no? Belter talaga si Jessica, no? Talagang yun yung atake niya, medyo aggressive. If you guys have been following me on my YouTube, no? Marami na akong na-react individual niya, performance niya, and sa Queendom. Ganun talaga yung niya, style niya, no? Very aggressive siya na belter. So siguro feeling nyo na umi-epal siya or umi-eksena siya, no? Pabida siya dyan kasi siya yung key change, siya yung nasa mataas, siya yung bumirit, no? Nakikita nyo naman, no? It was a very well balanced. But again, there's always a lead singer sa mga parte ng isang kanta. So I don't think, and I really don't agree na umiepal si Jessica, because I think that as a group and individual parts sila, they all did great and very sincere delivery sa pagkanta, no? It's not just they were performing just because gusto nilang magpasikat, but they did put heart on what they're doing. Okay? So wag na po tayong pa-epal, no? Wag na po kayong mang-bash, okay? So, let us not put an issue na wala naman issue, okay? So, anyway, that was a very wonderful performance. And again, rest in peace to Sir Mike, and my condolences to the bereaved family. So, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe, and God bless you all. Peace.